Living life like a savage, but I live here, tengo paz.